Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a checklist in your documents on Microsoft OneNote in 2026. So let us get started. So we start by navigating to your page inside your notebook. Click into your page to start a new text box. And here guys, what you want to do is navigate to the Home tab next. And here you will see these two options, bulleted lists and numbered lists. So what you want to do is select or click into the drop-down menu next to the bulleted list and choose the check mark icon here. And that is going to create your first checkpoint. You may use, for example, or add the first point or value to that list. Skip to the next line by pressing enter, and then continue creating your checklist, and so on and so forth. Now if you don't like using these check marks, you may also customize your list and, for example, use other options like this checkbox here. Enter your content here, skip to the next line, or use the indent to use the tab button to increase the indentation. And once that's done, guys, you may print your list, for example, or to use these checkboxes to mark them as complete, for instance. So that's one option. The other option would be to use so-called tags. You will find these here also under the Home tab, and here under that symbol, click into that arrow down icon and choose the to-do checkboxes, or you may use the shortcut Control-1, and that is going to create a to-do checklist like this. So in this case, you don't need to print the list and or draw the check mark on these checkboxes manually, but if you add, for example, your first checkpoint here, you may simply click into that to-do checkbox here to the left, or circle, to mark it as complete. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.